If you've been watching, you know I'm looking for golden pothos. I mean, not golden pothos. I'm looking for jade pothos. If only I could find it. I found it in California. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Holy freak. That is amazing. Well, they have tons of hanging planters in here. There has to be a Hoya in here somewhere. I can't believe it. It's so intense. So intense. Ivies, syngoniums. I think that's one of those fern things. I think that might be a type of fern too. I don't know though. The roots are so intense. You can see them differently at this angle. 10 sansevierias for $25, $24.98. An abundance of spider plants. ZZs, raven ZZs. That one's really dark. More of the hanging planters. Some small snake plants. These are probably $4.98. Yeah, all these on this table, $4.98. Then here's a proven winners table. Oh, this is so pretty. It looks like it's just so special. They have these too. I think these are like Alocasia Amazonia. Let's see if I'm getting good. A Dwarf Amazonica. Alocasia Amazonica Dwarf. So the ones probably I saw at Walmart were dwarf. So this is black velvet. This is Amazonica or Dwarf Amazonica. They both have kind of like purple underleaf. I think that's a staghorn fern or something it's called. $16 plants down here. Lots of golden pothos. Golden pothos is just taking over. That's pretty. I was gonna touch it, but it looks like it has spikes. Lots of succulents, fire sticks, or green beans. It's super packed out in here. Yeah, so I feel like I got a good overview of the plants that are here. It's pretty. This is what she was taking a picture of when I walked in. They are very, very pretty. Probably this part right here. The different stages.
Yo.